For nearly 20 years, the Broadcast Cinema Department has been producing silly videos for the Arts and Media Festival. Tonight is no different. Welcome to an adventure in taste. TasteOVision. In the next few moments, students will be handing out very special containers. We have a limited number of containers, so share with your group. The numbered TasteOVision containers are filled with flavor beans. Hold on, don't open them yet. If you think you may choke on a jelly bean, or you're allergic to jelly beans or sugar, please abstain from the TasteOVision experience. During the film, when a number appears like this, carefully open the container and remove a flavor bean from the matching number compartment. Place the flavor bean in your mouth. Chew and experience a new dimension in cinema. Enjoy the show!
I need to find Rich Lanosio right away. Mike, listen, go give this to him immediately.
I don't even know where his office is, though.
Ask those people in the hall. Just go. He's gotta get it right away.
Do any of you know where Rich Lanosi's office is?
I think he's up in Snow Hall. Up the hill.
Center for New Media. New television studio.
Where's Rich?
What?
Where's Rich?
Oh, I think he's in a staff meeting with
Where's
Peter.
that?
I don't know, room 808.
Oh my god.
That's in Chapman.
Rich! I have.
What do you got? $100 million grant for the community college.
Wait, what?
What? Yeah, it says right here, the Food Network is offering $100 million for the community college program. They can make the best dish with the selected ingredients of apples, tangerines, popcorn, or Dr. Pepper. Each school should host their own version of the show Chopped. And the winner will go to the state finals to compete against the other community colleges.
I could use the money to clone myself. I could be in two places at once.
I could use that money for more production assistants, new equipment, and a new office.
I could use the money for my new wig collection.
I could use that money for a new Ghost Act 2000 for the Paranormal Club.
Well, I think this is a great opportunity and you guys should enter.
But we need a student representative.
Hey you! Come on in here. Come on in here.
Hey, what's up?
How'd you like to be in a $100 million cooking competition?
I mean, I don't know how to cook.
Oh, I'm sure you're a great cook.
Well, count me in. With that $100 million, I can make it big in Hollywood and make all my dreams come true. Yeah.
Welcome to Chopped! I'm Mason Rice and we're here at Middlesex Community College.
where 4 contestants are gonna bring it. Not from the classroom, but school their opponents in the kitchen. $100 million is on the line. Who's gonna win? First off, Brittany Bacode.
Well, like, I'm a college student living on a college budget, so I can mix anything up together. You give me anything in a can, I'll put it together and make it so tasty.
Hey, Judy.
Hey, Dan. What's up with the jacket?
I'm in a cooking competition. I gotta look the part.
Oh. Well, I finished the shot log for you.
Thank you.
And I gotta run now.
Welcome, Brittany. I'm sorry. Next on the chopping block, John Schaefer.
Believe it or not, my nickname outside of college is Chef. I know I'm gonna win this contest.
Oh, Holly.
Oh, hey, what's up, Dan?
I have another project for you to shoot.
But I'm working on my own stuff right now.
But Deep needs this today.
Dan, why am I doing all your work for you?
Why are you even my intern? Now I have to edit it.
I'll show him.
Second to last, but certainly not second to least, we have Rick Ericksen.
Well, I consider myself an artiste in the kitchen. I really can't be stumped. I think I have this in the bag.
Woo! All right. And now, for Dan, no Sarah.
So I'm a family man and a teacher. I have 3 kids. They're real finicky eaters, but when I cook, they love it. And my students, I treat them like my own family.
Dan, no Sarah.
Oh man, I'm locked in. I gotta cook. I'm ready to cook. Come on, let me out.
Holly, have you seen Dan?
Nope.
He's late for the show. I need him, like, now.
If I see him, I'll let you know.
What's that noise?
That's my project. Do you want to see it?
Maybe later.
Looks like Dan has a little bit of a case of the butterflies, but that's all right. We have a lovely bunch of contestants right here in front of us. Only on Chop. Now, you all know the rules of Chop. Dr. Pepper, oranges, apples, and popcorn. Time starts now.
It is clearly very hot, as we can see. Oh, it's probably emptying it into the bucket. Looks like you threw a pen in there somewhere. Oh, this food's going to be delicious, I can already tell.
I gotta get out of here. I can't take it. I'm locked in my office. I can't believe it. I can't go back to doing my own work. I need that $100 million. Help! Help! I'm stuck in my office. Somebody get me out of here. Oh, there's Alex. Get out. Alex! Alex! Help! Alex! Oh, he can't hear me. This sucks. I want to cook. I'm so hungry. Oh, Judy left this rotten tangerine.
Brittany is still over here pounding her spam with the white rice. That's nice. It's gonna come out great.
Why isn't anybody answering? Oh, they're at the show. The show! I need to order some food. Chinese.
That gummy berries now deceased.
Just make sure it has a lot of tangerine in it. And charge it to Holly Kinney when you get here. Alright, thanks.
Got a delivery here for Dan?
You can't be here.
Wait, man, am I really on camera?
No, you're not. Go away.
Come on.
What's up, girls? What's up, girls? Dance in heaven. Dance in heaven. What's up, girls? What's up, girls? Dance in heaven. Dance in heaven.
I want to
luck.
3, 2, and 1. Hands up and plates down, contestants. We are now finished with the cooking section. We are going to move right on over to the tasting section, over here by the judges.
What I made for you today was a lovely Spam and rice mixture with some Dr. Pepper in there, and I call it Spamtastic. That's my dish.
Well, I think to us, they were delicious. But Brittany's braised Spam and Dr. Pepper just stood out above them all.
Brittany, you've just won $100 million.
I won.
You won.
I won.
Mm-hmm.
Here she is.
Oh my God, I'm on top.
Mrs. Chuck.
I think so. I won $100 million.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.